What's up, what's up? Welcome back. I'm back with another headband review. This is one of the first that I have done, a kinky headband wig. Now I have done a half wig before, but I have not done a kinky one like this, actually in a headband style. So if you want to know more information about this unit, then definitely stay tuned. What's up, you guys? Thanks so much for staying tuned. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. This unit is a 16-inch kinky curly unit from WeQueen hair. This is the first time I'm collaborating with them, so thank you so much for reaching out and sponsoring this video. So like I said, this is a 16-inch kinky curly human hair unit. It is a headband wig. Y'all know how popular they have been. So y'all already know what this video is going to be about. But let's jump right into it. So number one thing I noticed about WeQueen, the packaging was very, very nice. Literally a silk lined box And it's such great quality packaging, and that's something I just love to see. They actually care about their customers, and it's just not a plastic bag saying, here you go, here's the wig, which is wonderful. And it did come with a lot of goodies, as y'all saw before. Now, and going on to the headband wig, this headband is not from this company, but this company, WeQueen, did supply some great headband wigs. I just needed something brown to match my shirt. But let's get right into this hair, y'all. Did y'all see how those curls popped? I know y'all saw that. So let's get right into it. So this is a 16-inch unit. Now you do have to measure it by stretching out the hair, and it is definitely true to length. And this hair can get longer if you pull it down and if you put some product in it. So I did not put product in this hair. I went ahead and just used my concoction of water and just a little bit of conditioner in it. And look at this hair, guys. Oh my gosh. The curls are very, very beautiful. It is a kinky texture. And when it dries, of course, it's going to dry a little bit shorter than this. The hair is wet, so it's a bit weighed down right now. But I think this side is a little bit more drier than this side. But look at this perfect unit. Like, it is so pretty, guys. It looks so realistic. It looks like my hair if I was a natural girl. So it looks very realistic. I want to add a little bit more water here just to keep it wet and juicy for the video. I love it. It is very fun. It looks very realistic. It's very easy, very cool. It'll keep you cool in the summertime, off the shoulder, curly type hair. You can definitely wear it in a flip over type style, and which is one of my favorites. I love the flip over style. Very cute. But let's go ahead and style this wig into different styling options. So you guys, let me know what you think about this fun, cute, kinky curly wig. Now, like I said before, kinky curly short textures are not totally my style, but I do love to give them a chance and give you guys a chance to see how they look, especially from these new hair companies that are producing these headband units. They're very affordable and very, very high quality. This one is very thick, is not any thin parts in the back. Even with half of this hair up, this still covers the tracks. So, you know, unlike straight hair, when you do the half up, half down style, you may see some tracks in the back. But this one, you can't really see any tracks here, which is good, because I know a lot of women are self-conscious as to wearing it like this, half up, half down, because, you know, you're scared of the track showing. But even when it's in a bun style like this, the tracks really don't show because the hair is very nice density. It's nice and thick, and I love the curl pattern on this. Definitely check this out if you are a fan of these natural looks. This hair detangled very, very well. It is very smooth and silky. Even though it's kinky texture, it's not hard and crunchy, and it is very, very soft. I haven't put any product in this, and this really does mimic African American natural hair. Of course, I'm not an expert on like the numbers, you know, 4B, 4A, something like that, but maybe along the lines of that. But it is really, really pretty, you guys. And like I said, this is no product in this hair. So this is a kinky straight 16-inch unit from WeQueen Hair. Once again, thanks so much for contacting me and want to collaborate. So yes, I did receive this wig as a review, to review, but definitely a high quality wig that I give 2 thumbs up. And I wouldn't mind spending my own coin on this unit. So let me know if you guys enjoyed this. Like I said, the information will be in the description box below directly to this unit. Once again, thank you so much for hanging in there with me all these years, guys. And if you're new, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks for watching again, you guys. Bye.